Hi friends! Today I'm creating the cover page, monthly, weekly, and daily spread for my May theme, which is a gardening and flower shop theme. I like to start with the cover page as it helps me visualize what I'm going to create, especially because I didn't create a mood board this time. I'm going to change the color of the hydrangeas to blue. To brighten the front of the store, we'll add a hibiscus plant. I felt like the color of the font for May was too muted, so I'm going to try out darker green and gray. And that's it for the cover. I did add a wash of green just behind the store. Now on to the monthly spread. I decided to keep the calendar at the top of the page, so I have room to create a garden scene with a conservatory. The font I chose for this theme is Baskerville Display. The coloring of this tree and bushes is nice, but we want to lighten it to match the style of the conservatory. Time for some blue sky. More flowers. I'm going to add some tufts of grass for additional visual texture. I'm going to move the calendar up a little more because I've got the scene right into it. Now I thought I would like to add some more trees, so I'm just moving stuff around. I kind of wanted to add the tree in order to add a little more visual texture to the background. I decided to add a flowering tree in the same style as the other elements. Now onto the weekly spread. It's a simple minimal design, but I'm going to add a pretty garden font. T is for Trisha, or Tuesday. My birthday is this month on May the 6th. I don't usually do too much for birthdays anymore, but it's always nice to celebrate the day. Each week will have the same layout and font, but I have created different scenes for each week, and as we go through the week, you'll see me add in some additional elements to fill it out. In the end, I changed the color of the hydrangea to match the flowers on the fence and added some pansies. I didn't change too much from my original design. I just made the bunny bigger because I felt like it was hard to see next to the fence, and I added some more pansies. Cosmos, Clematis, and a beautiful fox make up this scene. A cute little hedgehog and mouse among some potted rosemary and lavender. Now on to the daily spread, where I have a different flower shop for each day of the week. I like the basket of sunflowers, but not the coloring, so I decided on a pail of sunflowers instead. A pretty calico cat, some hibiscus, and tulips fill out the design. I have a better hanging basket than this. I added some tulips and daffodils, but in the end changed them out for some lavender. I'm hoping to be able to create more layouts for this theme, but this month I have to work more hours at the flower shop I work at. The follow-up videos will have to be short and sweet, but I'm not sure which layouts I will create, so feel free to leave suggestions in the comments. Wednesday's design. Some flower shops sell potted ferns, and so I thought I would like to add one in, but in the end it didn't look quite right. I replaced the fern with some daffodils, added some tulips and a puppy, and that is Thursday's design. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this theme. I really liked the flowers I had in the basket, but felt it was too similar in color to the flowers behind, and so I went with some purple flowers. Now it's your turn to create your own version for your journal, or visit my shop to get the one I've created. I will be creating a June and July version of these layouts too.